This tutorial shows you how to automatically send an intake form when a patient makes an online booking. First, go to Settings, then General. Under the section Patient Portal, next to Patient Intake Form, click the Edit icon. In the pop-up, configure the following settings. For Send Patient Online Form for online booking, select Enable. For Form Expiry Period, specify the amount of time that the patient will have to submit the intake form after you've sent it to them, as the form link will expire after this time. For Send Form, select one of the following options. Select Only on their first online booking if you only need a patient's details on their first visit. Select On every online booking if you need to collect information from a patient at every appointment. For Patient Form, select the intake form template to send automatically for online bookings. For Communication Template, select the email communication template to use, which will contain the intake form link. When you're finished, click Submit. Your patients now automatically receive the intake form via email as soon as they book an appointment online.